Here are the same temperatures we used yesterday in one of our examples, and we found the mean. Today, we're going to use the same example to find some other things. So again, when I'm looking for the median, which is the middle number, I first need to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So I have 2 degrees, I have 15 degrees, 25 degrees. I'm underlining them in the original list just to make sure that I don't miss any as I'm copying them down from least to greatest. That's just a trick that I like to do. I don't like to cross them out because if I cross them out and I want to go back, I might not be able to read the number. I double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have all my numbers. So now I want to find my middle number. So here's 1 from this side, 1 from this side, 1 from this side, 1 from this side. Oops, the middle is right here. There's not a true middle number. And this is going to happen when you have an even number of numbers. So in our notebook, we wrote down that step 1 was to line them up from least to greatest. We wrote down that step 2 was to find the middle number. Step 3 that I would like you to write is that if you have an even number of numbers, you have to find the mean of the middle two. If you don't have that written down, just pause this video until you do have it written down. So what I mean by that is because I don't have a true middle number, I actually have two middle numbers. And in order to find a true middle number, I'm going to take these two numbers and find the mean. If I have an odd number of numbers, like in the last example, there will be a middle. But anytime I have an even number of numbers, like 4 numbers, 6 numbers, 10 numbers, I'm not going to have a true middle number. So I will have to find the mean of the two middle. So 25 plus 31 equals, again, we're using our calculators if you would like to help you with this. So 25 plus 31 is 56. 56. Sharpies don't have erasers. I apologize. Now I'm going to divide by not 6 because I didn't add up 6 numbers. I only added up 2 numbers. So I'm going to divide by 2. 28 is now my median, 28 degrees Celsius. It is common that sometimes this gets to be something like 24.5, 28.5. A lot of times you'll have a 0.5, and that's okay. You can leave that 0.5. I have one more example that I'd like you to do on the next slide. And when you're done, I want you to go on to the video afterwards to check your answer.